Yo, peace and love. Welcome back to it, man. Straight up and down every Fridays from 7:30 until 8 o'clock. You know how it is, man. Lord number and the old slash ukumkani ukonda. Taking you away, low ekobeleni namhlanje. Our last topic. We want to find out: are you someone? Do you have a problem with allowing abanye bantu bakwazi to enjoy spotlight? Do you have a problem with allowing spotlight? Must concentrate on your friends. Do you find it necessary for you to rain on your homies parade? But recently we've seen people like Jay Z. Every time Nas has got a
Sean Carter.
problem, Lawe is our release. So, the homie somehow finds a way to rain on Nas's parade by releasing something because of indlela awe ngayo bana he's got a hold of a media and a publicity. So whenever Nas has got your producer makwenzeka lo way. Are you someone la way of manseke xa ihome yakho izawushayina ufuna uyenza bambe about umselufo lo way?
Yo, man, look. Ifani le way kajika noNas la. Cause uNas drop a album when Jika came through with a single no Pharrell la.
Yeah.
Look, man, I think ever since we Ether la we been a problem mchite. Look, but ke xa singena kwi topic personally I'm not someone that ozoba umna ndiyamvuyela umjita wam. A friend of mine ezoba ndiyibona okay no this guy is doing well. Ndide ndimphushe namba dude you need to do this and this and this.
What if you're your friend yakho?
Look, if I'm a friend yam but ngumntu that endimbona okay no uyazama elihlobo azama ngayo and ukwi-point of uba angasucceed I'm like dude whatever you need mna ndiza-support yabo like kukho amajita aphusha i-music career zawo lawe asuka locally apha kule ndawo ndihlala kuyo release i-mixtape umna I'll be the first person to say yo dude imalini ifumaneka phi yabo xa nayo imali ndiyakwazi uya ndiyithenge yabo now mhlawumbi ndizuyimamela but ke ndiyithenge.
But now we're not talking about supporting. We're talking about like sharing his spotlight. Let's say, for instance, now you're dropping the mixtape at the same time or same date as that person. Do you do that? Have you ever done on the lane like Cookie Podcast, Cookie Show that plays on YouTube, at the same time? Would you say about okay, I'm gonna hold back my show, let that show shine?
Look, if we're not playing on the same channel, I would say I would fully support lo show le, unless he's competing for his sports arm on the same channel that I'm on, and then you've got a problem. If you kwenye channel, because la channel ine viewers is high. Naleni channel sikuyo ine viewers is called. So we can share. I think it's by 50 something million in South Africa. So we can share.
The pie is big enough for everyone. To answer your question, Bri, I feel like that is like petty to share, to rain on a homie's parade. If you say homie, I take it that you're talking about my friend, a person that I'm close with, that I'm friends with. We've seen Jay-Z, case in point, using guys dropping on the same date as Unas at dropping. There's like several albums Jay-Z are dropping. I feel like that is like petty and I feel like that is childish. However, if you're talking about like being in the boardroom competing for the number one spot, nigga, we're in friends. We're in friends. I'm going for the number one spot. If Baba, I see that date when I drop is the opportunity date for me to drop and then the profit guy. I'm gonna drop. Well, I'm not gonna switch change a date because of when. Yeah. They have an agreement. They had the agreement, but I believe, they're gonna do a competition just to boost the sales. However, if Baba, when you're a homie that you feel like every time your homie shines, when you feel like coming through and you block a spotlight, that is like petty. That is whack. That is petty stuff. That is whack.
I feel like another way as abantu abamnyama, we need to be educated, bana, as the individual, ne. Khangela indlela onokwazi uzihacka for whether to advance yourself. But mawube ne sense of social responsibility. Yeah, but if always promoting into, I cannot la bana mandifune nami udropa a product ngala xesha enanoyenza mandithathe la product expose. We've been doing this la way. You have iway yakho yenzayo the Roseless show. Yeah, but we have Len every time wenza low way and you have the artist as manager and yeah, but
I don't manage no artist.
okay, there's niggas that feel like you're always managing them and they've been feeding you with yeah. So if low way you're promoting, you're busy on the TL promoting low way. Tina low way, we need to be able to average on strength say to as a collective and reach it. So if one of us is promoting some shit, like well, let's give him his space. Not just give him his space to promote his shit, but let's assist him with the platforms there and the exposure here to markets deal and assist Lamshit lower so that now we've been doing the way. This is why you've seen Bana the first guest on the show was Yakim. Yeah, well, because we have a relationship with Yakim. We want to see Yakim winning. And we want La show is about better because we know but when La show we going to work if he wants to shine in the spotlight, good, then the platform will be bigger. We have to expose low. Abantu need to think in those terms. Let's build Englomde Klanda Wakuyu. At the same time, seekers who collect strength say to push each and every one of us. Yeah.
Before we shut it down, on the same breath, if you're not promoting, not supporting what I do, I ain't gonna support your age as well. Yeah. My name is Otis Legend, man. If you're not supporting what I do, if you're not promoting what I do, but you expect me to promote and support what you do or put out, forget it, homeboy.
Taking us home, Snai Mibono from the mixtape Yabe sitting Gabula Siktao. Bam!
Yeah. Yo, lupuku khona mbuso soke sipendulo fumbuso siqhamo senzuso nasoke subambile lo mbuso sonwabisa uluntu lonke isicatshulwa nkumbuso sijonga inikhulula nonke ingxaki yenu kuzo yimibono yekhozi nokubukhosi benkosi khona nonke ngele sithathu qola siselele ingozi londoloza ngezizathu nje kubukhosi benkosi xa singena yaqala ingozi makuvakala imiluzi nobungazulu usuthini for sure le track yefila madala hlalukiwe ngxelo xa nuvatsila abadala zobashiya bekhala sivike sibangelo myatala sovula xa bevala bamlibazo nyamalala walala wasala wavuka wayeprodana mfana yimibono yokhozi luchabala kwachabalala Laliology, rhythm and poetry. My raps inspire me to expose my pedigree. So taste music, sankyala semvula. Pull up, chana kastula, sipusha velekul. Izikhoto skalo kumbe spembelele mifula, kukuli mifuna. Sikika kanye lendo mifuna. So taste music, sankyala semvula. Pull up, chana kastula, sipusha velekul. Izikhoto skalo kumbe spembelele mifula, kukuli mifuna. Sikika kanye lendo mifuna.
Jala sisiwa sivuka, simana sisihla sinyuka, banye befika beduka ekugqibeleni senyuka kwimeko esimaxongo sosengelwa phantsi dudu besenza amacebo beqhumisa ngentsambo nempeko besityela itheko kwenqawe etshayo ebusuku lixeko kondiliseko nkcubeko kuncoko khiwe ngesikweko amajikekasi esithi imibono icula ngesixhosa omavukenxeni ucimba umculo oculwa zingcolo ezigcwalileyo angadumuka culwe ngomanqana abacule ekugqoleni suka yeze nathi size siphela amandla hamba ngazoqiniseka nawe buyathanda sikhathe umkhumbe ngezandla sikhukhumele ngamandla sandla somandla ezinamandla zohlwaywa